10 lines on Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the world's third largest ocean. It is the warmest ocean on earth. It is named after a country that is India. It is named after India because India has the longest coastline in the Indian Ocean. It is triangular in shape. It covers around 20% of the Earth's surface. Its deepest point is Java Trench. It is the youngest of the 5 major oceans. It is bordered by Africa, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. It is a home to lots of different types of animals such as whales, turtles, and fish. Hope you find the video useful. If you do, then do like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more latest videos. Thanks for watching.